Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well as our lecture series regarding trigonometry, chapter 8, grade 11. So, National Book Foundation. So, it's continued, and this book is new. So, the next question, this basically the sixth question, okay, from your book. The first part of the sixth question we are going to solve. It's a very simple question. As you see, as you know that both angle here are same, 15, 15. Just think about a formula which has the same angle like this. We know that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta and cos theta. Basically, you people are mostly using alpha over here, so no problem. We can use anything. So as we know that here double angle, here the single angle. Okay, so this the same is here, but here the 2 must be there, so no 2 is here. So first of all, you can write divide and multiply by 2, okay, because there is no equation, so you can write like this. So let me write here 1 by 2 dividing outside and 2, just put the bracket over here and sine 15 degree cos 15 degree also like this. So now here theta, both theta are there. So here we will put theta simple and 2 like this. So how? No need to put the bracket now. So that will be sine. So let me write here 2. And in place of theta, what is the double in both have? 15 here like theta. So let me put 15 here. So that's gonna be sine 30. So I hope you understand this question. So let's move toward the next question that is in front of us. The second part, cos 15 degree and minus, sorry, cos square 15 degree minus sine square 15 degree. So let me write the solution. Here simply theta is 15 for both. Okay. So we know that just think about the formula of cos that is similar to this. So let me write here cos 2 in the form of alpha or theta. Let me write in alpha. Cos 2 alpha is equal to cos square alpha minus sine square alpha like this. So I hope you understand this. Look here, simple both are alpha. So here both are 15. So when you see this in a it's clearly that both angle are same, so that must be equal to cos 2 alpha. Okay, so you can use the hint in the paper on the right side or just down here, no problem. Okay, so we just close this. Cos 2, what is alpha or theta is 15 degree, so that's gonna be cos 30 degree. So I hope you understand about this question. Okay, so let's move toward the next part of the question, that is the third part. The third part is 1 minus 2 sine square pi by 8. Okay, so you have to learn the formula before solving these questions. Let me say this, these are the basically the practice of the formulas. If the student who's try so much to learn, so they just give these questions to the practice of the formulas. So let me write the formula of this. This is the basically formula of sine cos 2 theta or cos 2 alpha, that will be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. Yes, so this is the form of this 2 sine square alpha. Alpha is pi by 8 over here. Okay, you can just write here, no problem. Alpha is equal to pi by 8 instead of in the paper you forget, or instead you can write if alpha is equal to pi by 8 or theta is equal to pi by 8, no problem. So let's write in the closed form here cos 2 alpha. So 2 must be here. What is alpha? Pi by 8. So 2 will we can do 1 time 2 and 2 4 time 8. and then that will be equal to cos pi by 4. Okay, so cos pi by 4, we have to find the answer as the angle is allied angle. Pi by 4 is basically 45. That will be equal to 1 by square root 2. So I hope you understand this question. So it's a simple formula of cos. So let's move toward the next question as in front of us. So you have to just think about the formula as you learned already. So this the fourth part. Let me write the formula again. This is the formula of cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Yes? Okay. So let's write the solution. So what is alpha over here? That is pi by 12. Okay. So now we'll just close this simple cos 2. What is alpha here? Pi by 12 like this. Okay. So that will be 2 6 times 12. So that will be pi by 6 cos pi by 6. You can convert into degree, no problem, as you think that, as you wish. That will be equal to, so the basically this is cos 30. Okay, this is 6. Yes, this is cos 30. So basically cos 30 will be equal to mm, uh, let me find with the help of calculator. Cos 30 square root 3 by 2. Simple. Okay. Uh, it's a simple. So now in the next question, let's see the next part of the question. The fifth part is in front of us. So this question is about tan theta. Okay, it's about tan. All tans are given here, and pi by 12 also. You can convert these angle into degree as you want, if you want. Otherwise, no problem. You can solve like this. So we have to think about this formula, tan 2 alpha. Mostly students don't want to learn about the tans formula. So because you can solve the question with the help of sine over cos, because that's equal to tan. But only a small use, a little use in your exercise. So 2 tan alpha over 1 minus 2 tan square alpha. Okay. So 1 minus, I'm sorry, 2 is not here, at down. Let me erase this 2 here. Okay. So 2 tan alpha or 1 minus tan square alpha. So you have to think about the alpha. What is alpha over here? Alpha is basically pi by 12. Okay. So now we'll move toward, just close the formula, tan 2. What is alpha? Pi by 12, like this. Okay. So just simplify this. So 2 1 time, 2 6 time. So that's gonna be tan pi by 6. Okay. So tan pi by 6 is basically equal to 1 by square root 3. So I hope you understand this. So now the next question you will find that all parts has done of this question. This is question 6 it was. So the next question I will solve on the next video you will find on the playlist.